Hi kids. Okay, so I'm going to do another Adulting 101 video, and today I'm going to show you how to do laundry. Yes, soon you will have to do your own laundry, and it'd be really cool if you started now. So first of all, I've got a load here, and it's a full load. You don't want to do a small load because that's a total waste of water and it hurts the planet. Second, I think one thing that intimidates people about doing laundry is that they think they have to sort the clothes into lights and darks or something like that. Don't tell your mother, but no, you don't have to do that, okay? That's kind of a silly thing that, again, just wastes water. And people in the 50s, they would wash their whites in hot and their colors in cold or whatever. We're just going to put it all together. So you can put all your laundry together and you're going to put it in the washing machine. Now, if you come across something like Mr. Notaboom's sweatshirt here that has a stain, let's pretend there's a little tiny stain. If you have stain remover, give it a shot. It helps get stains out. If you don't have stain remover because you're just a poor college kid living on your own, run some cold water on it and then just give it a little scrub like that. Or maybe take a little crack, use your little brother's toothbrush and just scrub it out, and then the stain will come out, okay? So we're gonna load our laundry and we're putting it all together. We've got a full load because we're not wasting water, because we actually care about the planet. Now, there's two ways to put soap in. One is in this, if you have one of these, and it's very confusing, but I just put about a cup of liquid detergent right in here. Today, though, I'm using these Tide Pods. Kids, it's not a snack, okay? Just do the laundry. So all you have to do is take one of these. It does look creamy and delicious, though. And you got to put it in the machine. Put it down at the bottom because it has to dissolve, okay? Now, next, you have some choices to make right here. So at my house, look at that. I've taken a marker and I've kind of preset the choices for you to make it easy. So we're going to do a normal load. Almost every load you'll do will be normal. And when I push the start button, all these settings come up. Normal, yes, save energy. Medium spin, that means how hard it's going to shake the clothes. And cool or tap cold water. Hot water, believe it or not, doesn't really get your clothes any cleaner. So it's better for the planet and all of us living on it if you just use tap cold or cool. This won't even let, there we go. And then you push start. It's going to take 42 minutes. Bingo, you've got your laundry done. But don't go away. Okay, so part 2 is taking your clothes from the washer and putting them into the dryer. Okay, so what we do first is you need to check the lint screen. And this one's a little gnarly. So we're going to take that stuff out. If you get too much of that in there, you can start a fire. At least that's an urban myth that I believe. Okay, so all we do is take the clothes out and plop them in the dryer. And if there's something that maybe you don't want to shrink, you need to grab it and don't put it in the dryer, because clothes in the dryer shrink, okay? So if you want something that you don't want to shrink, you're just going to go hang it up. That's totally fine. Now here's another controversial, what the? Damn kids. Dryer sheets. You can put a dryer sheet in if you want. Dryer sheets are nice because then your clothes are not staticky. And just so you know, the typical load right up here, this is where you decide what you're going to do. This is how hot it is. I like medium. And an hour is about how long it takes to dry the typical load. And just like that, you are going to have clean, dry clothes. Try it at home, kids.